Sakes alive, a cattle drive. One day, the cows took Farmer's keys right from his back pocket. They tippy-toed to Farmer's truck and hurried to unlock it. Molly revved the engine up, then rolled the windows down, and Mabel waved to Farmer as they zoomed away to town. The farmer shouted, "Sakes alive! They're going on a cattle drive!" They bounced along the bumpy road at quite a frightful speed. "What's that sign say?" Mabel asked, but cows of course can't read. Molly swerved to miss a car. She dodged it just in time. Mabel cried, "How some folks drive should surely be a crime." The sheriff shouts, "Sakes alive! Did I just see those cattle drive?" The sheriff flipped his siren on and whipped his car around. Mabel mooed, "I do declare, what is that awful sound?" Molly shrugged, "I couldn't say, a flock of noisy geese?" Meanwhile, Sheriff hollered out, "Pull over! Stop! Police!" He called for backup. "Sakes alive! We gotta stop this cattle drive." His deputy said, "Are you sure? Since when do cattle drive?" Sheriff yelled, "Well, these ones can. They're going 85. 3 police cars joined the chase. "Mabel, look," said Molly. "Those cars have pretty flashing lights." And Mabel said, "Good golly." The deputy cried, "Sakes alive! It really is a cattle drive." Mabel pointed up ahead. "I do believe that's town." Molly uttered, "Where's the brakes? Help! I can't slow down." They whizzed right past the firehouse. The chief yelled, "Holy cow! They're headed for the mayor's place. Let's stop those cattle now." The fireman screamed, "Sakes alive! Mayor, move! A cattle drive!" They sideswiped Mayor's flower bed. They barely missed his garden shed. The mayor shook his fists and said, "Cattle shouldn't drive." They roared through town and sirens blared. The townsfolk gathered round and stared. "A town parade," they all declared. "Watch those cattle drive." "Turn the key off," Mabel cried. The pickup slowed, the engine died. Molly fainted, Mabel sighed. "Next time, let me drive." The truck stopped by the city jail. The crowd began to cheer. "The best parade we've ever seen! Let's do this every year." The people wanted autographs, but cows of course can't spell. They stamped their hooves in pads of ink, which worked out rather well. The mayor muttered, "Sakes alive, the whole town loves this cattle drive." The farmer galloped into town. He had to ride his horse. The sheriff asked, "Are these your cows?" And the farmer said, "Of course." "Come on, cows, we'd best get home. Dinner's on the table." The horse neighed. "Farmer, may I drive?" And Molly looked at Mabel. Those cows both giggled. "Sakes alive, since when have you seen horses drive?"